Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key battery in the Ford 500. So if you have a smart remote like this, I can spell 500, around 2008 or so, it might look like this. So change this battery. The thing that we need to do is find this upper right corner here, or right here, there's a notch. You can see this little notch. And what we need to do is separate this battery along the middle here. So what you can do is take a flathead screwdriver or even just another key and kind of press into that notch and then turn. So we've got to get a little leverage so we can separate these two pieces. Go ahead and go towards the middle where you might put a key ring and start to separate these two pieces. And you can get that separated. And then you can see we have access now to the internal battery. So there's a little rubber mat here, kind of covers the battery, so that may be over that, so just make sure and replace that in the correct spot. Pop this out, you can just dink it out like that, and the little coin battery that you need is a CR2032, and I'll put a link to where you can grab one of those on Amazon, but it's a coin battery, 3 volt, and so just make sure you put a new one in. Positive side is facing towards you, has a little plus and has the lettering on it, and then go ahead and just put this backing back on, snap it into place, and that's how you change the battery on the Ford 500. And again, this is the CR2032 3 volt battery.